nak masuk setengah pun boleh lah. If you got friend want to join halfway also can. Okay, so this is your last chapter guys for form 4. Okay, bab terakhir bagi tingkatan 4. Okay, so bab ni yang paling senang lah bagi admits. Okay, index number. Okay, nombor index. Okay, so guys, can you all tell me what do you understand by index number? Apa yang kamu faham tentang nombor index? Cuba komen. What is the word that you understand? Any word that you understand about index number? Ada apa-apa yang kamu faham tentang nombor index? Anyone? Siapa boleh bagi perkataan? Who can give me some word about index number? Anyone? Come on. Anything that comes to your mind guys about index number. Apa-apa yang kamu fikir tentang nombor index kamu bagi tahu. Hukum linear? Yes, do it. Yes, very good. Money. Okay, because money is one of the application of index number. Okay, duit tu salah satu aplikasi lah nombor index ni. Yes, Q betul. Q is for quantity. Symbol quantity. Yes, index gubahan. Index gubahan or composite index in English, correct. Okay, anything else guys? Ada apa-apa lagi that you can think of? Fikir lagi. There is some more. Yeah, composite index is this one. This one is composite index. There is another type of index, guys. Ada satu lagi jenis index. Satu lagi. One is composite index. Another one? Satu lagi apa? Satu lagi index. Kamu ada dua saja dalam bab ni. Only two index. Composite index one. Second? Yang kedua, yes. Very good. Price index, guys. Index harga. Betul. Okay, so guys. Okay, there is another symbol. Another symbol that you use in this chapter is P. Okay, so P tu mewakili harga lah. Price. Q mewakili quantity. Okay, so you just need to use the correct symbol according to the question. Okay, guna simbol yang betul saja. Okay, so yeah. So this is the basic introduction lah to this chapter. Okay, paling ringkas punya. Okay, so guys, I give you all a quote for today. Okay, so the quote is experts were once beginners. So guys, to become an expert, how do you become an expert guys in AdMaths? Tell me. Macam mana kamu jadi seorang yang pro dalam AdMaths? Yes, you must be a beginner lah. Maksudnya kamu kena mula. You must start to do AdMaths. So you must do lot of question. By following Dr. Bhuvan, thank you. Next time I need to change my username lah. You guys keep on saying doctor when I'm not doctor. So, if I can change my username, right guys, I want to change lah. If I can change. Oh, sorry, Dato. Guys, too much Jangan main-main Wah, if can get this kind of title, I really happy lah. Saya sangat gembira kalau dapat macam ni. Wah, you guys automatically give the title to me, Eddie. Okay, so next one. Okay, so we come to the topic itself. Okay, guys. So you can see this is your first formula in the topic. I equal to Q1 over Q0 times 100. Okay, so guys, you must remember when they use Q is referring to quantity. So guys, Q1 always refers to the year that is closer to us. Okay, dia merujuk tahun yang lebih dekat dengan kita. So guys, apa tahun sekarang? Bagi tahu saya. What is the year now? Yang ni pun tak boleh jawab, kamu pergi tidur lah. Apa tahun sekarang guys? What is the year now? 2025, right? Very smart lah you. Guys, the perfect example is now. Sekarang situasi dia paling bagus. Q1 is 2025. Q0 is 2024. Do you understand guys? Boleh faham? Maksudnya 2025 adalah tahun yang lebih dekat dengan kita. Okay, it's closer to us. Always Q1 nilai dia kena lebih besar berbanding Q0. Okay, means the year lah I'm talking. The value of the year. Nilai tahun tu. Kamu lihat nombor saja. 2025 lebih besar dari 2024. Okay, it's a larger year. So always put the larger year on top. 2023 dah jauh. Okay, if you don't want to confuse, you can use 2024, 2023. Maksudnya Q1 2024, Q0 2023. So 2023 we call it as the base time, masa asas. Means that it's like a reference. Dia macam rujukan. Itu maksudnya masa asas. Okay, base time. Okay, are you clear guys? This formula very easy lah guys. Sangat mudah untuk guna. Okay, and then about price index, we will use the symbol P. Okay, harga lah. Okay, so same concept. Okay, maybe this one 1998, 1995. So you can see the difference lah guys. P1 pun kena lebih besar dari P0. Okay, so this is the concept. P1 tahun lebih dekat, P0 tahun lebih jauh. Okay, are you clear guys with the formula? Bab ni paling sikit rumus. Very few formula guys. Very easy to understand one. Very straightforward. Okay, so the next formula that you guys going to see is on composite index. Okay, index gubahan. Alright, so composite index, you guys must understand composite index is also a type of price index. Do you understand? Indeks gubahan tu adalah sejenis daripada indeks harga. Maksudnya, indeks gubahan pun kamu boleh guna rumus bagi indeks harga. Contoh. Okay, let's say guys, composite index composite index pun dia adalah rumus yang ni. If price index, okay, you must know how to differentiate guys. Kamu kena tahu bezakan dua ni. Okay, I write out first. Okay, so guys, can you all see the difference? Boleh nampak beza dua-dua rumus ni? Yes or no? You all see the difference? Kena nampak beza. When you see the difference, you guys will understand. So anyone? Can you see the difference? Apa beza dia guys? Tell me. What is the difference in these two formula? Anyone? Yes. Tengok simbol yang ni guys. Tengok simbol yang ni. Beza tak? Beza? Okay, jauh berbeza. Okay, very different. First one, composite index. Indeks gubahan. Second, price index. Indeks harga. Tapi lihat guys, kat kanan, rumus dia sama tak guys? Sama. Okay, on the right hand side is the same. So means that these two quantity are actually related. Okay, price index and composite index are related one. Dia ada hubung kait dia. Okay, indeks harga dan juga indeks gubahan. Okay, are you clear guys on the concept? So dua-dua pun rumus sama. Ingat, bila nak bandingkan 2 tahun. Contoh 2019, 2018. Maksudnya ni adalah 2019 and 2018 lah. Okay, clear guys? Boleh faham? Any problems? Make sure kamu ingat yang ni Kadang-kadang pelajar akan confuse apa rumus untuk indeks gubahan kalau saya tak boleh guna yang ni. Let's say I cannot use that one. So what other formula I have for composite index? Ingat, yang ni pun adalah rumus untuk indeks gubahan. Sama macam indeks harga. Okay, same concept. Okay, alright. So now, okay, we come to this formula. So this formula, right guys, is to count composite index. Okay, kamu kena kira indeks gubahan. So basically, guys, can anyone tell me this formula is same to what? Can anyone explain? Rumus ni nampak sama macam rumus apa? Siapa tahu? So bila kamu tahu yang ni lebih senang nak faham rumus ni. So dia serupa macam rumus mana? What is this formula similar to? Try to think and see. Okay, Naveen say mean. Sama? The rest? Rumus ni nampak macam kuantiti mana? Yes, correct. Okay, the answer is mean guys. Okay, so mean, rumus dia macam ni kan? Okay guys, nampak persamaan dia? See the similarity. Okay, start. Okay, so first, kamu fokus pada I. Okay, so I ni macam X dalam rumus mean. Kamu faham tak? X tu apa guys dalam rumus mean? Cuba bagi tahu saya. What does your X represent in your mean formula? X tu quantity apa? Cuba recall balik. X tu kena ganti apa? Anyone? X represent what in that formula? Think and see, guys. Yes. No. X is not weightage, guys. You see carefully. X, saya pasangan dengan index kan, berdasarkan dua-dua rumus ni. So X, actually in your modern maths, is your midpoint. Am I right? Titik tengah. Betul? Ataupun data lah, kamu boleh kata. Midpoint or data. So guys, midpoint or data is the same meaning as index. Index adalah satu data kan? Setuju tak guys? Is index a data? Common sense, right? Whatever index you get is a data. Sebab dia boleh dikira. It can be counted, it can be classified. Dia boleh dikelaskan. So dia adalah data. Okay? So now, frequency guys. Look at your frequency. So frequency is actually same as weightage. Can you see guys? Kekerapan tu dia sama dengan pemberat. So saya tengah bandingkan dua-dua rumus ni. Bagi kamu faham perkaitan antara dua rumus ni. Boleh nampak tak guys persamaan? Can you all see it? Bentuk dia 100% sama. 100% guys. Simbol ke atas ni pun sama. Nampak? Dash, dash. Dua-dua rumus. Okay. So understand guys? Boleh faham? So kamu boleh anggap indeks gubahan tu sebagai purata lah. Okay, actually composite index is just an average. You must understand this. Composite index is actually the average of all your index. That's why the name is composite lah guys. Average of all indices. Dia adalah purata semua indeks kamu. Faham? Are you all clear guys? Until now? Can you all comment if you're clear? Boleh dapat semua perkara? Can Okay, so next. Okay, so guys, let us see a very simple example on how to use the formula. Okay, kita lihat contoh mudah lah. Okay, so for this question guys, can you all tell me how do we find the A? Ataupun kamu ada jawapan A, kamu boleh terus comment. We start with A first. Try and see. What do you get? This is the base year for your information. 2019 is base year or tahun asas. So you guys try and see. Cuba buat. So anyone? A value? Dah dapat nilai A? Okay, so A value 0.6. Okay, let's count and see. Okay, let me see. Over 100 times 2. Are you sure? Are you sure 0.6? The rest? Dapat apa untuk nilai A? What do you guys get? Anyone else? Can you share your answer guys? Sangat perlahan lah kamu semua. So slow. Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is 2.4 guys. Okay, so how to get 2.4? Okay, basically the step is like this lah. Okay, kamu guna rumus saja guys. Jangan silap algebra. Don't be careless on the algebra part. Okay, so you just need to use the formula I equal to, okay, I should write I20/19 equal to P20 over P19 times 100. Okay, are you clear guys? So guna rumus ni saja. Okay, so next, B value guys. Apa kamu dapat untuk nilai B? Try and see. They are just changing the position only. Mereka tukar kedudukan saja apa yang kamu nak cari. That's all. Come on. B value. Cepat. Senang saja nilai B. Very easy. For those yang baru join, kalau ada kawan yang struggle index, boleh share link juga, okay? Kawan-kawan untuk join. For those that struggle on Form 4 Admath Chapter 10. 2.67. Yes, correct. Okay, jawapan dia adalah 2.67. Okay, so this is how you guys solve. Okay, just use the formula again. Guna rumus saja. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, and then apa nilai C guys? What is your C value? So C, you must find the index. Yes. Okay, the answer is 120. Okay, are you clear guys? This is always you will see in SPM. Soalan macam ni selalu tanya kat bahagian A, kertas 2 bahagian C. Mereka akan buat Roman A. Yang ni selalunya soalan pertama. This kind of question. Okay, very straightforward one. You will get 3 marks lah. 3 markah. One value correct, 1 mark. Okay, alright. So next. Okay, so now we direct come to the question guys. Kita lihat soalan. That's why I say guys, this chapter very fast one. Tak ada banyak-banyak nak cakap. It's very straightforward. Okay, so now this one all are trial question lah guys. Saya compile semua 2024 punya untuk bincang saja berkenaan bab ni. Okay, so come. Okay, so for this question, okay, wait. One more thing I forget to tell just now. Okay guys, when you get the index, right, you must know how to interpret all these index. So guys, how to interpret the index? Macam mana kamu boleh analisis dia? Okay, so example guys, if your index is, let's say I give you a contoh, 100. How do you interpret guys this index? Apa yang kamu akan sebut dalam bentuk perkataan? You must know how to describe in word form. So if the index is 100, what do you say? So anyone? So the answer is only no change, increase or decrease. Tidak berubah, menaik atau menurun. That's all. Yes. Okay, remember guys, 100 is always no change. Okay, because it's always the reference point. Okay, titik rujukan means that you compare all the other indices to 100. Like it is the base value lah. In other words. Okay. Okay, let's say now I got 110. How do you describe guys? Macam mana kamu huraikan? You must be specific guys. You cannot just say increase. Tak boleh cakap menaik saja. Must be specific. Yes. Okay, very good. Increase by 10%. Kena cakap macam ni guys. You must put percent. Kalau kamu cakap 10 saja salah. 10 apa? 10 ayam? 10 murid? So you must be specific in the answer. Percent. Okay, not any 10 and not 10 for any quantity. 10 Bhuvan Raj. Okay, you write the answer lah in the exam. See what you get. I challenge you. Later the Pemeksa put the underline there and then ask, who is this guy? You will write there in the question paper. Then you answer back lah to him if possible. Wow, you think he know Aidato meh? You only telling Aidato. Okay, so next, another question. Let's say I say 200 guys. How do you interpret this? 200. Think and see. Usually 200 you will rarely see in SPM, but same concept. Concept sama. So how do you interpret it? Anyone can think and see? Cuba fikir. Come on. Answer please. Double the price or increase by 100%. Yes. You can say increase by 100%. Correct. Very good. Okay, so now let's say I give you what number you guys like? You tell me lah guys. Apa nombor kamu suka? Just comment for me one number. I also cannot think already. Guys, price index won't reach 1,000 1,000 takkan capai punya harga index. If 1,000 guys, you guys confirm bankrupt lah guys. If 1,000 already, the price is like so high, terlalu tinggi. 25 is too low. That one too cheap guys, terlalu murah untuk kamu. Kalau kamu cakap 25, 10, 15. Kerajaan akan rugi macam ni. The government is going to lose a lot if you say like this. Okay, 79 logic. Okay, so guys, let's say 79. How do you describe this guys? Macam mana kamu huraikan yang ni? 79. Square root for you want me to guess the value, is it? Smart guy. I know why you say square root 4761. 69 is too low guys. 69 too low. 69 takkan keluar SPM. Increase, Increase by 21. Are you sure? Yes. Decrease guys. Menurun 21%. Okay, always remember 100 is the base. So anything above, let's say 130 means it's plus. If let's say anything below like 90 is minus. Okay, this is the concept. Bertambah atau berkurang. Okay, are you guys clear? So this is another concept. They will always ask this question. Interpret the index obtained. Mereka akan suruh kamu buat interpretasi lah tentang indeks kamu atau jawapan kamu. So this is how you must answer. Decrease or increase by how many percent? You must mention. Okay? Alright, so now we go to the question. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to find the value of Wx, Yz. Okay, kamu kena carilah semua nilai ni. Okay guys, so start with W. Very easy. W, what is the answer? W is common sense. So this question tests you all whether you have common sense. Kamu semua ada fikiran yang waras atau tidak. Kalau tak boleh jawab yang ni W, memang fikiran kamu tak waras lah. In other words. 26. Lucky. Anyone else? Any other answer? Ada jawapan lain untuk W? So the answer is 26 guys. 26. Correct. Okay, so why 26? You must understand that total percentage is always 100%. Kena anggap macam ni. Then only you can solve. Okay, total jumlah kena 100. So semua ni tambah sama dengan 100. Okay, so you will get W equal to 26. Okay, next. How about X? Okay, so X, you need to refer all of this. Okay, so you all try and see. Guna rumus and you, sorry, no need to use formula guys. Yang ni senang. So what is the X value? Direct. Tak perlu jalan kira. So anyone? Apa nilai X? What do you all get? The index is 100 guys. 100 is a very special number in index chapter. Nombor yang sangat istimewa bagi bab ni. Yes. It means that there is no change. Tak ada apa-apa perubahan harga. Okay, so that's why X is equal to 0.50. Okay, W26. Okay, so now Y. Okay, so macam mana cari nilai Y? Okay, so this one you need to see information. Okay, so they say price of long jack increase by 7.5% guys. So guys, tell me, apa nilai yang ni? Menokok sebanyak 7.5%. So bagi tahu saya indeks dia. What is your price index? So anyone? Price index dapat berapa? Menokok 7.5%. It increased by 7.5%. Come on, cepat. What do you all get? Increased by 7.5. Yes, confident guys in your answer. Very good. The answer is 107.5. Correct. Okay, you just take 100 plus 7.5. Okay, so 107.5. So now guys, tell me, 107.5, should it be my Y or Z value? Yang mana adalah 107.5? Which one? Y or Z? Very good. Okay, the answer is Z lah. Okay, because Z refer to index. Okay, dia merujuk kepada harga index. So Z is this one. Okay. Z. Wow. Guys, I prefer you guys don't sleep in the class. I know you guys are tired, but actually you guys should not be tired because you got a good holiday already. But anyways, try not to be sleepy because tomorrow is your listening. So listen carefully today. What is holiday? Wow, you're asking me to define holiday, is it? To you guys. Tomorrow listening gang. All of you here listening gang. So that's why I say guys, listen to me carefully. This is your practice guys to make your ear function well. Kalau mana-mana telinga sekarang tak berfungsi bagus, buka telinga. Dengar saya cakap betul-betul. Confirm tomorrow boleh buat. You guys want me to make your hearing better? I have one method guys. Saya ada satu kaedah. If I want to make your hearing better, do you know it's what? Kamu tahu apa kaedah dia? If I want to make your hearing become better, do you all know? I can use one method. You know what's the method, guys? The method is I will scream in front of the Google Meet. Saya akan jerit kuat-kuat sampai telinga kamu terbuka until it open up so big already. Shout one time only. You get scared lah guys. Siapa tertidur kat sana confirm terbangun dah. Okay, but I don't want because I scared people get heart attack. Saya tak mau ada orang kena serangan jantung sebelum SPM. So I don't want to use my full power and shout. I don't want lah. Later you guys suddenly got one person die over there. Then later they blame me because I jerit ada orang mati kat Sabah. Contoh. I scared lah guys. I don't want to be involved in this kind of case. Tenang you dulu. I won't tell you guys one. I will suddenly do randomly. You guys don't play. So that's why I say focus on the lesson. Okay. So now number Y. Okay. So for Y, how do you guys get the answer? Macam mana dapat? Then how you guys gonna hear me teach? Ayo. Tell. What is your Y value? Okay. So your index is 107.5. Are you sure? Betul ke? Guys, Y value nilai Y. Correct. Okay, the answer is 1.9. Okay, so how to do? Okay, so this is the concept. You take Y over 1.8 times 100 equal to index. Okay, the formula same lah. Okay, you use 2000, what is this? 2023. 2023 bahagi 2022. Okay, so 2023 divide 2022 times 100 equal to Z. So that's the formula. Okay, so you will get this answer. Okay, guys, clear? Question A, are you okay? Boleh? Can, Soalan A? Okay, so next one. Okay, so now they ask you to count the composite index. Index gubahan. Okay, so they are talking for these 2 years lah. 2023 based on 2022. Okay, so Z value, you guys already get. So you can sub 107.5 and then this one is 26. Okay, so guys, do you all know the composite index formula? Tahu tak? Rumus index gubahan. The concept is just count it like your mean. Same as your mean formula. Means that you're going, means that you're going to times all of these. Kamu akan darab semua. And then you plus in the middle. Okay, tambah kat tengah-tengah. Okay, so then you divide by total. So guys, what is your total percentage? May I know? Apa jumlah peratusan dia? So kamu kena bahagi pemberat kan? You must divide the weightage. So percentage, total dapat berapa? Tak perlu tambah satu-satu guys. You need to plus one by one. Yes, the answer is 10 power 2. Correct. 10 power 2%. Okay. Those who understand lah. It's 100%. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Are you clear, guys? So you just press calculator lah. Okay. Make sure press carefully. Yang ni. Okay. These two value over here. You must press carefully guys. Jangan silap. So the answer is 106.38. Okay. So next question. Okay. So for this one, they say he make a profit, keuntungan, 40%. Okay, so profit, and then they ask you how much is the price in the year 2022. Okay, dia nak harga 2022. Okay, so they talking about kedai kopi. Okay, so it is, okay, it's the whole thing lah. Okay, index gubahan. Okay, you guys need to go for composite index. Okay, so now guys, if they say profit of 40%, what does it mean, guys? Why? Why kena tengok camera? Why, guys? I don't understand. Mengapa tengok camera? What you guys trying to do? I don't understand. Tengok group I don't want. Guys, I know you guys want to take my picture lah and make sticker. You think I don't know you guys Saya tahu sangat kamu semua like to make sticker on my face. Be careful lah guys. If I see my sticker circulate, you see. Nanti tersebar muka saya ke mana-mana. Okay lah, tak apalah. Kamu nak sebar-sebar sajalah. I'm happy. Okay, so next. Wow, you guys really coming up with a lot of picture. Okay, so next. Profit 40%, guys. Keuntungan 40%. So what is the index? May I know? Yes. Okay lah. I think it's a good thing also. Okay. So what is the index, guys? If you get a profit of 40%. This is the same concept, guys. Profit mean increase, right? Keuntungan maksudnya bertambah. So means that increase 40%. Yes, very good. So the answer is 140% lah. Okay, 140%. But now, this 140%, are you guys, you guys are going to times with what value now? You have to see over here. Kena darab dengan nilai apa? It's just index. Guys, you must understand, index is actually a form of percentage also. Index ni adalah satu bentuk peratusan. So if I say 120, means that it increased 20%. So original 100%, increase 20%, 120%. Do you understand? So it's automatically already a percentage. But just we don't write it out lah. Kita tak tulis. But usually you guys see the formula, right? Okay, your formula is like this, right? Okay, example, P19 over P18. So guys, do you all know why there is a times 100 here? Siapa pernah terfikir, kenapa kena kali 100? Yes, percent, right? So guys, if percentage kat belah kanan, maksudnya belah kiri apa guys? Percentage jugalah. Baru dia sama kan? If right hand side percentage confirm, left hand side is percentage also. So that's why I say guys, index is a percentage. Index tu adalah peratusan. Faham? Because times 100 means times 100%. Okay? Are you clear? So just remember this fact. Okay, so now, okay, so they ask you, what is the price of the cup of coffee in 2022? Okay, so they're talking about coffee. Okay, guys. Wait. Okay, so they're talking about 2022. So now, X value just now is 0.5, right? Okay, so guys, 140%, should I times 2023 or 2022? What do you all think? Saya kena kali nilai apa? Think and see. Should I times the price in 2023 or 2022? This is the important question now. Yes, very good. Okay, you must times the price in 2022 lah. Okay, because mereka nak cari 2022. Okay, so guys, the price, right? Do I times this value? Yes or no? Adakah saya kali 0.7? Because they say for coffee, right? The question. Question say price of a cup of coffee. So do I times 0.7 means that 140% times 0.7. Is this the answer? Adakah ni jawapan dia? So guys, this question actually tells you a lot of language. Soalan ni sebenarnya dia uji bahasa tau. It's not only the maths part. It's testing you on language. Divide 100 is percent, guys. Guys, you must understand. Whenever I write percent, means automatically is divide 100. Do you understand? Percent maksudnya bahagi 100. Automatic. So, example, like your exam mark, markah peperiksaan. Does your teacher write 80% or 80 over 100? Tell me. Cikgu tulis mana biasanya in your exam? 80% or 80 over 100? Normally lah. First one, right? Yes, 80% kan? So means that you score 80 mark out of total 100 mark. 80/100. 4/5 is you simplify lah. Okay, it's not the actual meaning. Okay, all right. So guys, so should I times 0.7 over here? Think and see. Adakah saya perlu kali 0.7? Yes, yes with question mark. Okay, guys. Whenever I see question mark, I know you're not confident with your answer. Kalau ada tanda soal, maksudnya kamu tak yakin. The rest? Is my working correct? Yes or no? 140% times 0.7. Maybe. There's no maybe, guys. It's either yes or no. Only got two answers. Correct or wrong? Why no? Because your name is no. Your username is no, right? That's why the answer is no. No. So guys, the answer, I changed to yes, very smart. Okay guys, the answer is wrong. Jawapan tadi salah. Okay, why? Okay, so you must understand, guys. They're asking you the price of a cup of Mat Kilau's coffee. So, guys, coffee. How do you make coffee? May I know? Is it you just put coffee inside? You put the coffee bean inside, then you get coffee? Yes or no? Common sense, guys. Kalau kamu letak biji kopi sahaja, boleh tak dapat kopi? Common sense. No, right? You need to have all these ingredients, right, guys? Kena ada semua ramuan. You need to have all the bahan. You campur semua, then dapat kopi. Okay, so means that you must plus all the price lah. Okay, kamu kena tambah semua. That one you ask the question lah. Don't worry. Guys, soalan Admets takkan tanya kenapa perlu serbuk tongkat Ali. Jangan risau. Admets won't ask this kind of question one. If they ask, you go and sue KPM. That one really, guys. If they ask that kind of question in SPM, right, you can sue KPM one. Because that one is out of syllabus. Tak ada dalam curriculum. So that one you guys got right one. Kamu ada hak. Boleh tanya KPM, mengapa kamu keluar soalan ni? Can. No problem. Tapi jangan soalan biasa yang memang kamu kena tahu, kamu pergi serbu pula social media. You say Admets very hard lah, soalan ni macam pelik lah, situ pelik lah, semua pelik. Janganlah. Okay, normal question you guys must know how to do. Okay? Alright. So now, you have to take 140% times the price just now, the total, okay, which is 550. Okay, so then you just press calculator lah, then you will get the answer. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, so you will get like this, 770 final answer. Okay, are you clear, guys, for this question? Boleh? Soalan C? Can. Okay, so next one. Calculate the price of the cup in the year 2023 if the profit is unchanged. So guys, they say profit unchanged. So what's the meaning, guys? Kalau keuntungan tak berubah. This is an important question. You must think and see. What do they mean by that? So now it's 2023, guys. Kamu kena lihat tahun. Okay, yes. Okay, it means 100, correct? Okay, but can I use 140%? This is the next question. Can I use 140% times the total for 2023? Is this method correct? Okay, why no? Or tell me the next method. What should I do if this one wrong? Good. The correct answer is actually no. So why? So one of the value over here is wrong. Satu nilai salah. So you guys must think and see which one is the wrong one here. So you must see the question, guys. They are talking about price of cup, secawan, total. Yes. Okay, this value is the wrong, guys. No. It doesn't mean that. Okay, guys, you see carefully. Now we are talking about 2023. 2023, guys. So guys, when you talk about 2023, means that you must use this answer, right? Composite index, index gubahan. So you must actually take this value, 106.38. Do you understand? If 2022, you cannot take 106.38. Kat sini salah because 106.38 is for 2023. The concept is basically 100 is 2022. 2023, this one is composite index lah, guys. Index gubahan. Do you understand, guys? The value is for 2023. So that's why you must take 106.38. Okay? Do you guys get it? Boleh dapat? So that's why the working is 7.7. This one is total lah of the price 2023 times with the composite index. Sorry. Not total 2023. Just now answer times composite index. Just now answer is about 2022, right? So you must compare the year, guys. Kamu kena bandingkan tahun. So you're basically using the composite index formula. I 2023, 22 equal to P23 over P22 times 100. You use it for question D. Are you clear, guys? So P23, you just substitute, you must find that value lah. Okay, kamu kena cari yang ni, this one. And then P 2022, you refer this one, this question. And then index, you refer soalan B tadi. Okay, are you clear guys with the method? Can you get it? Any problems? So the answer is 8.19 now. All right, clear? Can respond a bit if clear on it. If any question, ask guys. Kalau ada soalan, tanya. Okay, so next one. Okay, so for composite index. Okay, so now they give you a new year, guys. Ada tahun baru, 2024. Okay, so they say increase by 18%. So guys, can you all tell me what is the index over here? Apa index dia? Menokok 18%. So think and see. What is the value? Yes, very good. 100 plus 18, so 118%. Okay, so then, so they say 899, 2024. So they say, is it fair to get a profit of 40%? Okay, so they just want you to check lah, can you get the profit or not of 40%? Okay, boleh tak kamu untung macam tu? Okay, so how do we check this? Okay, so first step, you must start with the, let me see. Okay, this one they are talking about price, right? For the whole cup. So it's composite lah, index gubahan. Okay, so just now, for 2022, the total price was 550. Okay, based on the table. You add up all the ingredient. Okay, tambah semua yang ni tadi. This one over here. You plus all this. 070 plus 250 plus X plus 180. Plus 050 lah. X is 0.5. So when you plus everything, you actually will get 550. Okay, so you start with 550 and then you must times by 118%. Common sense, right? Okay, because this is the composite index gubahan. So you need to take 2022 times composite index. Then your answer will actually get 6.49. So nilai ni adalah untuk 2024, 2024 punya harga total for 1 cup of coffee. Okay, so now you must check and see, can you make a profit of 40%? Okay, so means that you're going to take 6.49 times 140%, because now you want to check and see, boleh ke tak? So 140%. Okay, so your answer will actually get 9.09. Okay, guys, so this 9.09, you must actually compare with the price that it is sold. So they say it's sold at 899. So guys, is it logic if you compare these two value? Adakah dia munasabah? So from calculation, dari pengeran kamu dapat 9.09. But the actual situation is 8.99. So is it logic? Yes or no? Common sense. Logic atau tidak? Tell me. Confirm not logic lah guys. Okay, this one is terlebih untung. Am I right? You already exceeded the profit. Profit is supposed to reach until 8.99. But now you have 9.09 extra 10 cent. So 10 cent ni datang dari mana? Tak tahu. Okay, maybe he count wrongly lah. Okay, kira dengan salah the profit. So the answer is definitely not logic lah. Tidak munasabah. Okay, are you clear guys with this question? So this is an example of how index question can come in SPM. Okay, clear? Okay, so go on. Okay, we see another type of question. Satu lagi jenis. Okay, usually index, the pattern is almost the same, but it can change a bit lah. Okay, boleh ubah sikit. Okay, so first step, they ask you to find the X and Y. Okay, so for X, okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, you can find. Okay, guys, tell me, what do you get for the X value? Okay, this one is special because they are comparing 3 years. 3 tahun, guys. So you guys must know how to do price index involving 3 years. Okay, so first step, of course, if increase 30% means 130 lah. Okay, so now, how do you find X? If you got the answer, you can tell me. What do you get for X? So over here, you guys need to use the chain rule. Okay, kamu kena guna petua rantai. So anyone? Try and see. What do you get? Actually, it's very simple. Mudah saja. So anyone? Come on. X value. Apa kamu dapat? Don't be afraid to try, guys. Jangan risau untuk mencuba. Okay? Wrong doesn't matter. Salah tak apa. Asalkan mencuba. If you guys try, then only you will know for AdMaths. Okay, Al Yunus say 130. Some more? The rest? So over here, you need to know how to use the chain rule. Petua rantai. Anyone else? Want to try? Come on. What's the answer for X? Try and see. Tak panjang jalan kira dia. It's not very long. Okay, Naveen, please stop giving me weird answer. First, I think your answer is 131. Then I see your answer got -1. You're trying to test my eyesight, is it? I think you're trying to test my eyesight. See whether I can see carefully or not your answer. You're tweaking me a lot. Oh, he mind ML tadi. Okay, very good for him. 130, yes, correct. Okay, the answer is correct. Okay, so how do you actually get the answer? Okay, so concept very simple. You must understand that I20/16 equal to I20/18 times I18/16. This is the chain rule, guys. Petua rantai. Okay, and then you must remember to divide by 100. Kena bagi 100 your answer. Okay, so then you just sub the value lah. Gantikan semua nilai. So why you can use this is because 2018 they will cancel off each other. One is down, one is up. So up and down you can cancel off. Boleh potong. Tak faham? Okay, I show you a different method. See whether you understand or not. Okay, so guys, just now I say like this, right? Okay, first you think how is the formula? Okay, so I2016 you will get like this, right? This is the formula untuk index. And then I20/18. You write the whole formula if you don't understand. You write like this, confirm boleh faham. So 2018 times 100. Okay, and then apa lagi? I18/16. Okay, you write everything. Okay, so now you try to connect all the formula. Cuba hubungkan semua yang ni, guys. So when you connect, you guys actually will notice something. There is a pattern. Okay, so what is the pattern? Is basically if you take P20 over P16 times 100 is equal to P20 over P18 times 100 and then what? Times, okay, wait, let me write on top here or else you guys cannot see clearly. P20 over P16 times 100 equal to P20 over P18 times 100 times P18 over P16 times 100. Okay, guys, can you all see this whole thing? Boleh nampak tak slow yang ni, guys? So, guys, do you see why the 2018 will cancel off? Dia akan potong kan 2018. And then, the 100, 100. Okay, wait, let me simplify first. Okay, so P20 over P16 equal to, okay, so guys, this whole thing is actually index 20/18 and this whole thing is index 18/16 and this whole thing is index 20/16. Okay, so now, so P20 or P16 equal to P20. Okay, so you need to sub the values lah, guys. Kamu kena ganti nilai sekarang. So index 20 over 18. So index 20 over 18, what is your answer, guys? This one, right? 130. 130. So you gantikan lah 130. Okay. So guys, you remember this 130 include you already times 100. Dah termasuk kamu kali 100. Faham tak? 130 ni. Because it's the whole formula. Why index 20 over 18? Because you want to get 20 over 16. So macam mana dapat 20 over 16? 20 over 18 times 18 over 16. Sebab dua ni akan potong. Atas bawah. Pecahan biasa, guys. Like 2 over 5. Yes. times 5 over 3. What is the answer? 2 over 3 kan? 2/3. So sekarang saya tanya balik. 2/3 macam mana kamu boleh bentuk persamaan dia? How do you form the equation, guys? You can think as 2 over 5 times 5 over 3. But the number 5 is not important, guys. 5 ni tak penting. Mana yang penting adalah 2 dan 3. 2 atas, 3 bawah. Faham? Then only you can get 2 over 3. So the number must maintain on top. So on top 20, on top 20. Bottom 16, bottom 16. So you can use this concept, guys. Very simple. Okay, so next one. P18 over P16 times 100. Okay, so what is the value? 100, right? So Atos, they already give you the answer. So means that you just times 100. Okay, so now guys, you understand, kena faham 100 ni adalah untuk seluruh ungkapan yang ni. Is for the whole thing. So guys, there is 100 over here, extra. So guys, how do you do it? You must divide 100, right? Kena bahagi 100 kan? That's why my working is actually 130 times 100 over 100. That's why the answer is 130, 130. Faham? Do you guys get it? The concept? So this is the concept over here. Okay? Understand? This is the detailed explanation lah. How the answer actually is like this. Kenapa rumus dia macam ni? Okay, no one mind ML. Okay? So clear guys? Boleh? Any problems? Okay, alright. So you will get x equal to 130. Okay, and then for y, guys. Okay, so you all try find y. Okay, so this one y. So you try and see, guys. Tell me what is the answer you get. Same concept. You can do fast method also and get the answer. Just give me the final answer. So see whether you understand or not the concept. But actually in exam, right, dalam peperiksaan tak perlu tunjuk macam mana saya tunjuk tadi. Itu untuk penerangan saja. Just for explanation. But exam, you direct to the point. Oh, calculator habis battery lah. Then kamu guna calculator dalam minda kamu lah. Guys, we are all gifted with a calculator in our brain. Am I right? So use the calculator in the brain well. Brain also have calculator, guys. Use your brain. Guna otak. Kira. Mental calculation. Are you sure 95? Yes, correct. 140 guys. 140, correct. Okay, so basically the concept 175 times 80 over 100. Same format as the x. So then your y answer should get 140. So that's your answer. Okay, so now you guys clear how to count index involving 3 here? Boleh faham? I will face reveal. I didn't see anyone's camera, sorry. Don't worry guys, if you guys want to take picture with me, no problem. At the end, can open your camera if you want. If you guys so interested to reveal your face, can also. Because this is our last intensive class for AdMaths. Chapter 10 is the last actually. Okay, so clear? So this is the concept. Just remember that one. No need to tell. Okay, next one. Okay, so for this one, they ask you price of component N. So they say 2016. Okay, so they want you to find this. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, of course, we need to refer to N lah. Kena wujud index for N. So N actually our index, we get 140, right? So 140 just now. Okay, so you can form the formula already. So 140 equal to 770 over P2016 kali 100. This is the concept. So you just apply the normal formula, rumus biasa. So then you will get the answer 550. Okay? Senang kan guys? Index very easy, right? I told you, very simple to score lah guys. It's like basic algebra only. You guys need to solve. Very, very basic. Okay, so next one. They ask you to calculate the value of P. Although basic, like guys, I still teach lah because I don't want you guys to like rugi any marks over here. Do you all know what I mean? We go full out lah for this kind of chapter. Make sure you don't miss even one question. Tak mau hilang satu markah pun. every mark is precious in NMATS. So make sure you score fully 10 mark. Kalau price index tu no change ke jadual? Yes, correct. Very good. The problem is if easy, you guys careless. That's the problem. That one, you just need to be more careful. Okay, so for index gubahan, guys, so they ask you to find the P. So you need to definitely use your formula for index gubahan. Okay, composite index. Okay, so again, same concept. So the formula is something like this. Okay, just memorize the pattern. The pattern is like mean, cari mean. So how you find mean is you're going to times right all of this. Kamu akan darab semua one by one. Okay, and then you plus and then divide total weightage, jumlah pemberat. Okay, so your working will look something like this. Okay, then just solve algebra. Okay, so P will equal to 6. Okay, clear guys? Just follow formula. Okay guys, this step to this step, careful, hati-hati. Don't make any careless mistake. A lot of people make careless here and then dapat nilai P salah. It's a common mistake one. Although look very simple, senang, tapi boleh buat salah. So just be careful on that. Okay? If you can write extra line, is okay. Kalau rasa macam tak boleh terus nampak jawapan, is okay. Tulis lebih. Write some more line until you can get the answer. Okay? All right. So next one. So sometimes king, that one very hard lah. That one you need to be careful only. Okay. So now they ask you to find the selling price, guys. Okay. So they say the cost RM75 2016, and they want you to find in 2020 profit 70%, guys. Okay. So profit 70% means what, guys? How much? Apa nilai dia? Keuntungan 70%. So usually the last question, right? They will always come out with a daily life question in index number. So usually the common question is they will relate profit with selling price and cost price. Kamu kena tahu hubungan keuntungan dengan harga jualan dan harga cost. Okay, so you guys, anyone take economics here? You should understand this very, very well. Econ student confirm faham. Yes. Okay, so profit is basically selling price minus cost price. Am I right? So you must use the concept over here for this question. So don't think NMATS cannot relate with econs. NMATS also can relate with econs one. Selling price minus cost price. You will use it over here. I think you guys got study this, right? For those take economy. Confirm you guys got see this formula one. Okay? It's a basic. Okay, so now, if they say profit 70%, so how many percent now, guys? May I know? Berapa peratusan dia over here? Tell me. Yes, 170% lah. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, so now, you must find the cost price. Okay, so they're telling you 2016 RM75. Okay, but now, this RM75, right? Can you direct use it for the calculation? Mean that 170% times 75. So this is my answer. Is this the correct method? Think and see. Okay, very good. Okay, so what is missing over here? Okay, you guys must understand the 75 ringgit is before the composite index. Sebelum index gubahan. Okay, because our composite index can only apply in 2020 year. But this RM75 is for 2016 year. 2 tahun berbeza. So you need to use the composite index gubahan. You guys already found over here. Sorry, the question told you guys. The composite index is 134. So direct substitute in the formula and count what is the price. So the concept is I20/16 equal to P20 over P16 times 100. So you just put in all the value. Okay, so P16, 75, and then this one is 134. This one 75. So you solve for P20. Okay, cari P20. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so P20, if you guys press calculator, you should get 100.50. Okay, P20 is RM 10050. Okay, so now guys, is this the final answer? Adakah ni jawapan akhir for this question? They're asking you the selling price, guys. Keyword, harga jualan. So this value over here, is it the selling price? Yes or no? 150. So you read the sentence carefully. They say the cost of making the appliance 75. So cost dia 75. So this is actually the cost price. You must understand. Harga cost. So now you need to find the selling price. So cost price to selling price in the middle is profit lah. So profit, they say 70%, right? So 100, 70% times 150. Then you will get the answer lah. That is your final answer. So you need 2 steps, 2 langkah. Are you clear, guys? So this is the answer you should get. Any problems? So you guys understand the concept of cost price and selling price? Very easy, this question. Sangat mudah. Okay, you can score the 2 mark. Okay, so this is how you can show the working for 2 mark. Okay, so this is this one. Okay, are you clear, guys, with this question? Are you confident to score 10 mark over here? Boleh kan? Very easy lah to score this 10 mark. Should be able to, as long you guys not careless. That's why he gave 70% in the question. Yes, correct. 70% is the profit. That's why 170%. Okay, all right. So now we see another type of question. Okay, this question they change a bit. Ada sikit perubahan. Okay, so you guys see this question. First step is common. They ask you to find the value of x. Okay, so can you all tell me what do you get for x? Faster. Very simple one. This one Tadika also can do lah, guys. Kindergarten also can do this question lah. Find the x value. I don't know why they put this topic in SPM and Maths, to be honest. Maybe it's to help you guys lah. Okay, yes. Okay, x you should get 125 lah. 125. Okay, so now give your interpretation, guys, of the x value. Berikan tafsiran. So guys, how do you answer this question? Always is the keyword, like what I told you guys. Very good. Increase 25%. Okay, if you want to add on, you can say increase 25% from at 2022 compared to 2020. Kamu boleh cakap pada tahun 2022 berbanding 2020. If you want to add on also can. Okay, so this is how you can answer. Okay, so this one got 3 mark. So make sure you guys write the bold word answer. Should be enough. So the keyword is peningkatan sebanyak 25%. Increase by 25%. So the rest is up to you, whether you want to write or not. Yes, correct. That's the concept. It's always 100 minus the index or 100 plus index. 2 formula only. If increase, means 100 plus lah. If decrease, 100 minus. So the starting point always 100. Okay? All right. So next one. So now they ask you to find the composite index, guys. Index gubahan 2022 based on 2020. Okay, so this one you guys can do lah. It's very easy. Okay, wait. Okay, got a catch over here, guys. Guys, they ask you to find composite index, right? But where is the weightage? May I know? Tak ada pemberat. So macam mana nak cari indeks gubahan? How, guys? Question B. They ask you to find composite, but no weightage in the question at all. Tak ada pemberat. So how to do? Think and see. Cuba fikir. It's very logic one. No. Kilo bukan. Kilo is not the weightage, guys. How, guys? What is your weightage here? It can come out, this kind of question, SPM. Yes, very smart, guys. If they don't give you the weightage, you must assume every single material, the weightage is 1. Do you understand? Kena anggap 1. Kamu tak boleh anggap 2. Yes, originally it's always 1. Because 1 times any number, the answer is that number, right? So 1 kali index sama dengan index tu lah. So means that index dia tak berubah. It doesn't change the value of the index. That's why we put 1. We cannot put any other number. Because if you put 2, means it's 2 times the index. If you put 3, 3 times index. kosong tak boleh lah. If you put weightage 0, then your answer is confirmed 0 already. So 0 tak logic. So the only number possible is 1, so that you can have an answer. Okay, so you just use the formula only. Okay, so you will get the answer 118.75. Okay, Aiman, Lukman, huh? I don't believe. Guys, next time when you invite people, please don't invite scammers inside. Wait, guys. Let me. Where is this? Aiman, Lukman. Wait, guys. Give me some time. No. That guy who asked who Aiman Lukman tengah tidur. That guy. He says, Sir, Aiman Lukman is sleeping. Guys, how can another person know who is sleeping? Confirm that person is the scammer lah. That's why I block him from the call already. That guy over there on top, before you guys chat. Okay, come back here. Yeah, that one. Confirm I know scammer already. No need to ask also. Okay, so now C1. Okay, so never mind. Okay, so now they ask you to count the composite index for 2022 based on 2020. Okay, so how to count these guys? Okay, so you can refer over here. Okay, so 2022 based on 2020. Okay, so you must understand all the indices they will follow as just now question. Okay, they will equal only. So guys, what is the percentage from Q? Can you all tell me? I don't know lah. People these days very weird. So apa jawapan guys for Q? So you need to give your answer in percentage. Okay. Wait. Did I label wrongly, guys? Wait, I think I label wrongly. Yeah. Okay, P is 125, Q 12. Oh, I thought it's clockwise. Okay, wrong order. 120, 150, 80. Okay, now correct. Yes. Okay, the answer is 15. 15. Okay, so now you can just apply the formula again. Okay, second time they ask you composite index. Okay, so composite index gubahan macam ni lah. Okay, same concept. Okay, so now why they actually ask you these two questions is because for this question. Okay, you see this guys. They say increase 30% from 2022 to 2024. So guys, tell me, what is the index over here? Apa index dia? Meningkat 30%. Always they will tell like this one, guys. Yes, very good. 130. Okay, so now they ask you to find 2024 based on 2020. So guys, time to form your chain rule. So P24 over P20 equal to what? Think and see. It will be P24 over P22 times P22 over P20. And then remember, must divide 100. Kena bahagi 100 always. Okay, because the 100 originally is here. Originally is 100 kali for index. So you need to shift the 100 to the right hand side. That's why it become divide 100. Okay, are you clear, guys? So now you just sub lah. So P24 over P22, you're going to sub 130. And then P22 over P20 is the answer in C1. This one is C1 answer. That's why they ask you to find just now. Wait, you will get, let me see. Okay, never mind. I show you here. Okay, so basically you just take C1 times 130 and then over 100. Okay, so the answer is actually 144.63. Okay, so guys, now they ask you to interpret the composite index. Kamu kena tafsirkan nilai ni. So guys, how do you say this one? Tell me. Increase by how much? You must be accurate, guys. If got decimal means you must be accurate. Kena tepat jawapan kamu. So how to interpret? Yes, increase by 44.63%. Very good. Okay, so you can see they will always bold this one. So means this is the important point to score the mark. The rest is up to you. Kalau nak tulis, boleh tulis. Kalau tak mau, is okay. Okay, so this one also another 10 marks. markah. Okay, so until now clear, guys? Okay, so let me see. Okay, so we go to this question, another one. Okay, so for this one, they're asking you to find the ratio x to y to z. Okay, this is unique a bit. Dia tanya nisbah. Okay, so guys, how are we going to know the ratio x to y to z? Okay, so you must refer to the composite index. Okay, 2023 based on 2021. 110 for A and B, A and C, 120. Okay, so means that you must form equation. Okay, kamu kena bentuk persamaan. So guys, for composite index, as you all know, is index times weightage. So it's IW. Okay, so you just take 95x plus 120y over x plus y equal to 110, 110 because it's comparing A and B. This is your first equation. Second equation, A and C. So 95x plus 130z over x plus z equal to 120. Two equation. So now you can find the ratio, right? Ratio means divide, guys. Remember, nisbah tu maksudnya bahagi. So you guys can see over here. From this equation and this equation, you can find the ratio x over y. Okay, so from here, when you shift, right? Okay, maybe I write in this way. Okay, so x ratio y, you should get 2 to 3. Okay, and then x ratio z, you should get 2 to 5. So guys, if you get like this, right, what is your final answer? May I know? They ask you x ratio y ratio z. Mereka nak ketiga-tiga nisbah. So how do you write your final answer? Can anyone type out? So you must know how to combine the ratio. Yes, very good. Okay, you just need to write 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. Very good. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, are you clear, guys? So you can see, right, guys, no matter how the question twists, the concept is the same. Am I right? Dia boleh pusing macam mana soalan. You can see different type of question already, but the formula always the same. Just follow the basic formula and then use your algebra skill. Algebra skill very important for NMATS. Okay, you can answer many type of question. Okay, so now for this question, they ask you to count the composite index for 2023 based on 2021. Okay, so yeah, you can find a D. Okay, so just now you got 2 ratio 3 ratio 5, right? So 2, 3, 5. Okay, so you just take all of these times lah. Okay, kali semua yang ni. And then you plus all the answer, divide total weightage. Okay, so total weightage, you should get 10 jumlah pemberat. So your answer should get 120. Okay, very simple, right, guys? I think for you guys also, I underestimate you all lah. You guys are smarter than this, right? Am I right? Kamu semua lebih pandai daripada soalan yang ni. I think you can feel, I can feel the atmosphere from you guys one. So I know that it's very simple when you guys feel like very silent or what. Means I know you guys feel it easy. Okay, so now this question C. Okay, so they say 2023 is 40-50. So P 2023 is 40-50. Can you feel your class A plus at maths? Hopefully lah, you guys can get A plus at maths for SPM. Hopefully. Because A plus and maths in SPM very susah, guys. You can ask your senior one. Trust me. You ask your senior from your school, ask them how many get A plus for NMATS. Very few actually. Sangat kurang dapat A plus. But A ada banyak. A lot of people can get for NMATS. But A plus very hard. Because you guys must be very perfect one when you do the NMATS. If you want A plus lah. Cannot make careless mistake. Try semua tak boleh. Kalau A plus. Okay, if A masih boleh try lah. But A plus cannot. Okay. So yeah. And some more the question is very hard in SPM. Soalan susah. Okay, so for this one, you just need to use the answer in B lah, guys. Okay, you must see guys, when they talk about the cake is composite or twice? Tell me. Kalau dia bincang sebiji cake, dia adalah gubahan atau harga? Why C minus? Later you guys discuss. Twice? Are you sure? Guys, is gubahan? see the question. Producing a cake. Penghasilan sebiji cake. So means that is the whole thing. So all of these ingredients, A plus B plus C equal to cake. Jangan kata kat saya A tambah B tambah C equal ABC ya guys. If you say ABC is the answer, I give you one. Yeah. I know a lot of people will say ABC one the answer, but the answer is A plus B plus C equal to cake based on this question. Okay. I'm just explaining to you lah that all these ingredient combine, you get a cake lah. Kamu tambah semua dapat satu cake. So this is gubahan composite. Because you gabung everything. Okay. So the answer, you just use composite index formula lah. Rumus index gubahan, then you find for P 2021. Okay. So same thing. Okay. So now come the 3 years, 3 tahun again. Okay. So you guys try and see. Usually the question D is always the hardest. Yang ni paling susah. Okay. So increase 40%. I don't want to ask you already. The answer is 140. So 140. Okay. So they want you to find 2021 to 2024. So guys, tell me your answer. Apa jawapan kamu? Cuba. Okay, so just now, your 2023 to 2021, the index is, let me see, I think it's 120, right? Yeah, 120. Okay, and then this one is index 24, 23. Okay, so you guys try and see what is the answer you get. So you have two information. So now they want you to find 24, 21. What do you get? This is the question. Come on, try and see. Very simple. Sangat mudah. No need long step also. Short step enough. So if you can answer this, means that you already master lah the 3-year concept. Usually the hardest concept to master in this chapter is 3 tahun when they're talking about the index. Okay, some more? Okay, so Al Yunus say 168. You must give index, guys. Kena bagi jawapan index, bukan peratusan lagi. They want you to tell the, they ask you percentage of change, right? Okay, never mind. You guys direct tell me your percentage. Bagi tahu jawapan peratusan kamu. Tak perlu bagi tahu index. Direct tell me your percentage change. Answer. Okay, so for those say 168, I know that your answer correct lah. Yes. Okay, increase 68%. Betul. Okay, so you just use the formula. Okay, so it's 120 times 140. Always bahagi 100 over 100. Okay, so your answer will be 168. Okay, but you guys must understand, when do you bahagi 100? You bahagi 100 is when you always see that the common year that you cancel, tahun serupa tu atas bawah. You see up and down got 23, right? So that you can cancel up and down. So that is when you divide 100. You times 2 index, bahagi 100. When you compare the, the closest year to the furthest year. So the timeline is like this, right? 2021, 2023, 2024. So what is the closest year? 2024. Paling dekat. Paling jauh? 2021. So when they ask you I 2024, 2021, you take 2 index, both of the index kali antara satu sama lain bahagi 100. Only for this case, guys. If let's say the question switch, the question asks you to find 2023 berdasarkan 2021. Example, you cannot use this method. Tak boleh bahagi 100. You need to use back the formula that I showed just now. Masih ingat? You just modify the formula only. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so don't always remember that it is bahagi 100 always. Okay, that's the wrong concept. It's not always bahagi 100. Okay, are you clear, guys? Can get it? So whenever you see soalan tanya tahun terdekat dan tahun terjauh, nak bandingkan index, and there is an intermediate year. Ada tahun pengantara. So like 2023. Then you can use divide 100. That's the concept. Okay? Are you clear, guys? Boleh dapat? So just be careful on that. Don't memorize always divide 100. Okay? All right. So we see the last question lah for today. Okay, let me choose. We try to find a different type. of question. Because mostly the question are the same type. Okay, this one also like same. Okay, this one same. We see the last one lah. Okay, we see the last one. Okay, we see this question, guys. Okay, let me see. What is sleep? Wow, guys, SPM era make you guys forget what is the meaning of sleep. Oh my god, what happened to you guys? SPM make you all forget what is the meaning of sleep. Hey, wait. There is the last question over here. We do this one. This one is better, more challenging. Okay, 24 hours. Guys, to be honest, do you all get enough sleep nowadays? Dapat ke tidur mencukupi since it's SPM time? No. So what time you guys sleep? 5 hours maximum. Wow. 5 hours is quite little, you know. Usually the optimum one is 7, I think. 5 or 4. Wow, you are the legend. 2 to 3 hours. If no school, 2 a.m. baru tidur. I see. Means that you guys revise until like very late lah, 2 a.m. all that. But okay lah, if you guys can cope with that lifestyle, means it's quite good lah. If you guys used to it. No lah. Oh no, then no revise do what? Guys, at 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m. you guys do what? If not study. Oh, cannot tidur. This one is insomnia, is it? Insomnia case. Sometimes somebody in my class 2 a.m. baru sleep, then bangun 4 a.m. Oh wow, that's interesting. Oh, all mind game. Just got the chills. Guys, I can confirm one thing lah. Tomorrow you guys confirm won't sleep. Are you sure? Because it's the New Year's Eve. So confirm you guys will stay until 12 a.m. Because memang you guys want to wait for the New Year. 50% scroll IG, 50% study. Good luck for you. But IG sometimes can be useful also, guys. Depend how you guys use it. If you make your IG a lot of study content, then your reels will always be study content. So it's good also in certain way. Depend on how you use it. Why wait for SPM Bertulis? Come. TikTok is a better place. Oh, yeah, true also. TikTok also is good. Zero study content. Depend on the feed lah you guys watch. Okay, so now come back here. Later we discuss all that. Okay, so they ask you find the value of X and Y. Okay, so guys, tell me, what do you get for X? This is the last question already. Soalan terakhir. Well, to be honest, right, among all the classes, right, this is the one I'm most chill when teaching. Can you guys feel it? Rasa macam sangat relax kan kelas ni compared to the other chapter. Other chapter people will ask me, hey, this one how to do? This one why like this? This one why like that? Wow, this class so nice. I must do chapter 10 every time lah. Every time you guys will get correct. Yes, the answer is 3.68, correct. Okay, so you will get X equal to 3. No. Okay lah, maybe I say you are smart, but I'll say the chapter is easier. It's more because the chapter is easy, not more because your chapter is smart. Not more because you're smart. So if you're smart, right, guys, you can do all the chapter. Am I right? It means that every chapter also class macam ni. Form 5 chapter 2 also like this, chapter 3 also like this. No, right? Bukan macam tu. So it's not the chapter, it's you. Okay? You must improve your AdMath skill. Okay? So now, what is your Y value? Nilai Y. Don't take it too hard, guys. You must take it as motivation. Improve some more. Okay? Yes. Okay, the answer is 1.50. Okay, so you just take 80 equal to 1.20 over Y times 100. Okay, so this is your working. So this one itself, you get 3 mark. 3 mark. Quite a lot. So simple, you guys can get 3 mark. Memang untung lah this one. Okay, so next one. So this one, they ask you to find the value of P. Okay, so they say ingredient B decrease P%. Okay, and then same. 2023, 2021, 114. All right. So ingredient B is 120. Okay, so your first index 120, and then you got 114. Okay, guys. So you see now, how do you find the P? You must see, guys. See the question carefully. Can we divide 100 over here? Yes or no? Boleh tak kita bagi 100? Tell me. You see what year they are comparing. 2023, 2022 for P. The information, 2023, 2021, 2022, 2021. So guys, are we comparing the nearest and furthest year here? Yes or no? Adakah kita bandingkan tahun terdekat dan terjauh? Answer me. This is the important point. No, right? Bukan, right? Because the nearest is 2023, furthest 2024. Sorry, 2021. Okay? But the question is 2022. So bukan. So guys, if it's no, means that you cannot divide 100. Tak boleh bagi 100. Means that you cannot take 120 times 144 bagi 100. Salah. Okay, this is the wrong concept. So if cannot bagi 100, what can you do, guys? Think and see. If I cannot divide 100, what can I do? Common sense will tell you the answer. If bagi tak boleh, so kamu buat apa? Guys, if you minus, your answer negative lah, guys. Yes, darab lah. Okay, because divide and times are opposite symbol. They are opposite to each other. So if divide cannot, darab sajalah. So for this case, you must darab. Understand? So now do you know when do you divide and when do you times? So over here you need to take 114 divide 120 times 100. Okay? So you can use the formula lah. Okay, guna petua rantai. Okay, you will get the answer 1. Okay, so actually your answer is 105, but P is in percent. So you need to take 105 minus 100. Take note. Okay, so your answer is actually 5%. Okay? Are you clear, guys? Boleh? Can, Okay, so next one. Okay, so for question C. So question C, they say increase 12.5%. Okay, so they're talking about the bread. Okay, so, means the whole thing lah. Okay, so increase 12.5% means 112.50. Okay, so now, yes, very good. Okay, so now you just need to use composite index guban. So you just use all the values over here. So you need to find Z. So just times everything lah. Mean formula again. So you will get like this, and then Z should get 1. Okay? Nothing much lah to explain here. It's just the formula. Guna rumus. Very good. Okay, so last question, guys. Sebelum Happy New Year. Actually, not Happy New Year, but Happy New Year's Eve. Okay, so sir, bukan 105.95. Wait, 105 ke mana? Soalan B ya. Is it soalan B? Let me press calculator. Or maybe they round off code times 100. Oh yeah. Sorry guys. Because question say menurun, right? So this one the value actually 95 one. I tekan calculator wrongly. So you should take 100 minus 95. Guys, the rest why also quiet? You guys say understand just now? Actually I teach you all wrong thing. Guys, if I teach you all wrong thing, you must correct me, you know. Kamu kena betulkan saya kalau saya ajar salah. Salah tengok guys, sometimes I simply put, this is the problem with you guys. Always want to wait for someone to correct. You must be the one that tell. Don't wait for others one. Okay? Then only show that you understand. Am I right? Kalau faham, baru kamu boleh betulkan. Macam ni. Okay? Alright. So now come to question D. Okay, so for question D, you Navin to the rescue. Always is him only. Okay, saya tunggu. Oh, tak perasan. Actually, I memang buat salah, but you guys never correct me. That's the problem. Okay, so now they say RM7 2021. So P21 equal RM7. Okay, increase 10%. So means that 110. So 110. And then, okay, so I23/22 equal 110. So guys, this I you must take note is composite, gubahan, because they are talking about the bread, roti, the whole thing. Okay, so what else? Okay, so they want you to find the maximum number of packet of bread. Okay, this question slightly different, sedikit berbeza. So guys, how are we going to find this? Think and see. Okay, so this one also got 3 years, 3 tahun. Okay, so of course, you're going to use the answer just now, which is 112.5. Okay, so 112.5 it is for, let me see, 2022, 2021. Okay. So 2022/21, 112.5. Okay. So guys, what can you find here? May I know? Kamu boleh cari apa? You can find the composite index 23/21. Betul? Because 2022 adalah tahun serupa, common year. Can you see guys? 22, 22. So guys, see the concept now. Do I times 100 or divide 100? Tell me. Darab 100 atau bahagi 100? Kamu tengok sekarang soalan dia. This is your question. Okay, some more? Times or divide? Darab atau bahagi? Yes, very good. Okay, so you understand the concept. So it's comparing the nearest year and the furthest year, 2023, 2021. So means that 110 times 112.5 bahagi 100. So you guys will get the answer. Bahagia. You guys really bahagia one, I can see. 123.75. Okay, so now you need to find the price. Am I right? Kena cari harga. So guys, the price you are finding is for 2023, 2023. Okay, because the party hari jadi tu 2023 lah. Okay, so you need to find 2023. So 1, 2, okay, I show you here lah. Simple. Okay, so 123.75. You just use the formula lah. I 23/21 equal to P23 over P21 times 100. Okay, so P23 kena cari. P21, you got the value. This one, RM7 2021. Gantikan, and then you guys solve for P23. Okay, wait. Let me press calculator. Okay, so you will actually get P23 equal to 8.66. Okay, so is this the final answer, guys? Yes or no? Adakah ini jawapan akhir? Okay, very good. The question say you must find the number, guys. Kamu kena cari bilangan roti. So guys, how do you find the number of breads? May I know? So you must see the budget lah, of course. Okay, so you see the budget over there. Basically, you just take 170 over 8.66 lah, because total you have 170. Price for one bread, satu saja, 8.66. So if you divide, you get the number of bread lah, bilangan roti. So your answer is actually 19.62. Okay, is this the final answer? 19.62. Okay, very good, guys. Do we have 19.62 bread in this world? Ada tak jumlah macam ni roti? I never seen before lah. So you need to round off lah, bundakan. So the answer is 19. Okay, so why cannot take 20, guys? Tell me, kenapa kalau 20 tak boleh? Because I thought 19.6 should go to 20, right? So why 20 cannot? Why 19? Think and see. PK. Very good. If you guys try 20, right? You try and see, guys. 20 times 8.66. Cuba tekan calculator. You will actually get 173.2. Guys, it's above your budget. 3 ringgit nak datang dari mana, guys? The 3 ringgit, how you guys gonna get? I think can back lah. Confirm someone will give you 3 ringgit. You just go to the street and ask for 3 ringgit. Confirm can get, no problem. 3 ringgit only ma, no problem. Okay, so can lah. But mathematic wise salah lah. Okay, so wrong. So 20, 20 cannot lah. So the answer confirm must go to 19. Okay, clear guys? Okay, so this is the end of AdMaths intensive class. Congratulations for those survived from chapter 1 until chapter 10 with me, form 4. Well done. You guys reach your goal lah in the end. Tomorrow modern maths lah. Modern maths chapter 10 last. Okay, that one is for intensive lah. Last for intensive class. Guys, this is not my final class. Don't make me sound like this is my final class, please. It's not the final class. Okay, don't worry. How come you guys call me Dato? Everybody call me Dato suddenly. Buka camera. Who want to open camera? Come.